What's your motivation in continue uplifting the Igorots worldwide?
Deep reasons. No? Number one is to uplift the Igorot image because a lifetime being discriminated upon because I am an Igorot. So I made it a lifetime obsession to uplift the Igorot image, Filipino nation, para makilala naman tayo. So I started with the building up the Igorot Stone Kingdom, developing it, and now I was given a chance to participate in that bidding for that notorious or very famous car, Rolls Royce, the once owned by the Discayas. So yes, I took the chance. I think this is one way to show the world that we Iguros are not the mangmang or the third or the lowly people that we are. That we Iguros are able, we are educated, we are normal people. Yung walang buntot, sabi nila may buntot ang Igorot, nakatira sa puno. Namamalimos. What we would like to change the misconceptions against us, the Igorots.
Decision to purchase the car a difficult one or was it easy?
It came as an inspiration, a chance to show the world, as I said, to show what we Igorots can do. Number two is to that we are also Filipinos. That kasi there are no bidders. So if after three failed bids, the car would be up for destruction. So we have to save it for the future generations to come, to serve as a shining memento against the rampant corruption that happened, that transpired. And it's also a form of investment. Someday that car will be priceless, and we could also utilize it to invite tourism later to our locality, to Baguio and Benguet, to come and see that historical car. We can display it somewhere in a very
You said you were discriminated. Can you cite examples? How were you discriminated in the past?
discriminated in the past. There were times I was applying for a job during those times, 70s, 80s. That I'm an Igorot, so I was considered for that job. Even up to now, in the Igorot Stone Kingdom, visitors are looking for saan ang mga Igorot. You are looking at us, we are the Igorots. Saan ang buntot nyo? Oh my God. Wala kaming buntot. May bahag kami pero wala kaming buntot na kan. Even up to now, the discrimination is still, the misconception against the Igorot still exists. Dito nga, if stay here, maghapon, may marinig ka. Saan ang mga Igorot? They look at us, Igorots, as different. They look at us as something maitim, pulot ang buhok, maliliit na tao. Parang gano'n. What we are advocating to show the world that we Igorots are normal people. Mga gwapo at magaganda nga tayo eh. Mga Igorot eh. So, we should let the world know that.
And we are at par with them.
We were at par with them. Pareho lang tayo, Pilipino. The difference lang is the late statesman Carlos P. Romulo said that we are not Igorot. We're not Filipinos. But, ang difference. But we are Filipino by nature. We are born Filipinos. Kung ayaw nila tayong mga Pilipino, di sige, Igorot na lang tayo. Okay lang naman.
Thank you very much, sir.